New just listed home, 14759 Hideaway Lane, Delray Beach, Florida, by Robin Waugh from the military veteran team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,110 square feet of living space in a beautifully maintained neighborhood. Inside, the spacious living area feels bright, comfortable, and filled with natural light. A welcoming space designed for both everyday living and entertaining. Just beyond the living spaces, the kitchen flows seamlessly into the heart of the home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout. The bedrooms offer comfort and privacy, perfectly suited for relaxed South Florida living. Continuing the home's comfortable feel, the bathrooms feature clean finishes designed for both functionality and everyday ease. Outside, the screened lanai creates the perfect space to relax, unwind, and enjoy the Florida lifestyle year-round. Don't miss your chance to make this beautiful home yours.